What is up, people? Landan with LMR.com. I'm so glad to be standing right here. So glad to tell you guys what's about to happen. LMR Cruise-In is back 2021. It's been 2 very long years since we've had a Cruise-In. 2019 was the last LMR Cruise-In, and I'm so thankful to be standing right here. And what better place to play host for the LMR 2021 Cruise-In than Texas Motor Speedway. It's gonna be the biggest, the baddest, and in my opinion, the best LMR Cruise-In to date. We've got cars in the parking lot, cars are rolling in, cars in the paddock or garages, a dyno, the road course is rolling. Enough of me talking, let's go check it out. All right, people, here we are. We're in the parking lot, Texas Motor Speedway. It's crazy, man. There's Mustangs, Lightnings, they're everywhere. Dyno line's long. We got folks over at the parade lap. It's crazy, it really is. It's a blessing to be able to do this stuff, and it's all free for our customers and spectators alike. Got our LMR booth up there. We'll run up there, check it out as well. Free t-shirt, goodie bag, you name it, we got it. But I'm telling you, man, God, this is so cool. This is so freaking cool, man. Texas Motor Speedway, Mustangs Lightnings. I mean, what more could you ask for on a beautiful October Saturday in the great state of Texas? All right, let's go check out the dyno. All right, what's up, folks? We're at the dyno. Got a nice little audience there. Checking out that Grabber blue S550 car up on that dyno. Man, this is great. .6. All right, so we're up here at the garage, the paddock area. Behind me right here, that's our booth. Free t-shirts, goodie bags, some great employees working it back here. We'll check them out. We got Neil, Kelly, Chris, and we got Scott Wilshire working the booth right now. And then here's the paddock area here. We'll take you guys inside here. It's pretty sweet in here. There's our 79 pace car, and we go all the way back. I mean, there's cars for miles, so we'll go check those out. But here's some more LMR goodness right there. We got chips, we got the whole 9 yards. Everybody having a good time. Everybody wave! Hey! They're happier than that, trust me. All right, we'll keep on rolling here. Check it out, look what we got in the house. We got Cody and Scott, Project Maynardstang. Yeah, how's it going, guys? Y'all
good.
Y'all having fun?
Yeah,
heck yeah. Good deal. Did y'all do a parade lap yet?
Yeah, we did.
Good, awesome. Okay, cool. How many laps they let y'all do?
Oh, we did 3 or 4.
3? Nice.
At least 3.
That's good. That's good. And what was it, like 45 mile an hour?
Yeah, 45 miles an hour.
That's good. That's awesome. Well,
Which
cool.
felt faster than what it was on the turn. So.
Yeah, heck yeah. Well, thank y'all for coming out. Good to see y'all.
Yeah,
Y'all take care, okay? All right, folks, we'll keep walking. I mean, we got cars of all generations. You know, clean 94, 95. Check this out. This belongs to one of our employees, Jared Farrell. This is super clean, Florida Highway Patrol car. And then we'll flip you guys right around over here. This is sweet right here. So behind me, in my life, this is the most 2,000 Cobra Rs. Yes, I said that, 2,000 Cobra Rs that I've seen in my life. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one right here. Technically, this is number 301. This is actually a tribute car. This is a Cobra R clone. This belongs to one of our customers. And he did an outstanding job on this car. I mean, sitting side by side with the other 4 Cobra Rs right here. I mean, check out the correct gate, correct instrument cluster. correct looking seats. Got the right hood, and there you go. That's a custom fabricated intake manifold. So check it out. Like I said, guys, this is technically number 301. David Isaacs here's the owner. He's the owner right here. He called it that, and we'll show you the build plaque right here. Or I guess not called it, but he numbered it as such. But there you go. There's his build plaque. And man, this is one heck of a car. Tell me, how long you own the car?
About 3 years now.
3 years?
3 years.
And when you got it, did you have this in mind, or was it something else prior to your Cobra R tribute?
When I first started, little bit in the mind. I wanted to do a 5.4 car with a R theme to it. First year I owned it, I did that, and then it spiraled down from there.
It always does. It always does. But man, this thing is absolutely incredible. I mean, you did a fantastic job chasing all the NOS parts. I mean, really looking at it, other than a factory cold air kit, you did an outstanding job on that one-off custom fabricated intake manifold.
Thank you.
I mean, you're missing what, a cold air kit and some seats? That's really all you're missing?
That's about it.
Wow. So, and following the build, I mean, you did your own subframe connectors, you did your own exhaust. I mean, if you could work with your own two hands, you did it.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. That's awesome. Well, guys, this is it, man. This is unofficially number 301. Wish y'all could see this in person because it's absolutely amazing. Again, sitting next to the other 4 2000 Cobra Rs. Other than that intake plaque right there, you really can't tell the difference. So, David, thanks again, man.
Thank you.
All right, man, that car's sweet. So here's a couple more cars. Mach 1. This belongs to Kirk Hutchins. It's one of our employees. Recently did a really nice restoration on this car. Had it all painted. Redid his interior, brakes. I mean, went through the whole thing. Really nice example of a new edge car. Continuing down the list here, several other LMR cars, customer cars, you name it. I mean, we packed the house full in here. There's a few open spots, but you know, they're probably out and about. Keep on going down the list here. This is about it, the end of the road here. A few other cars. S197 there, that's our 350R. There's our 2015 yellow car. I'm telling you, man, this thing is absolutely insane. Never really counted how many cars we had, but if I was a betting man, I would say there's probably a strong 1,000 plus. And that's huge, you know, considering how large Texas is. I mean, you think we're in Waco, Texas. This is a Texas Motor Speedway, 2.5 hour drive, 2 hour drive, you know, from Waco to Dallas. So folks coming from San Antonio, Austin, you name it, all over the state. It's a great turnout. I mean, it always is. We have a great customer base. We have a great following. And, you know, can't thank you guys enough. I know I'm always kind of the savvy guy, talking. Thank you, but really can't thank y'all enough. Spin y'all around, get y'all some of that 2000 Cobra R love. Man, that's cool. This is an all original, very low mile, what we call a sticker car. This is a 93 Cobra R. Still has all your factory prep markings. This car was not dealer prep, so one of the very rare ones in existence. As you see that final inspection done. 52 EFI starting procedure tag, and those are still the original Goodyear Eagle ZR45 tires. And the window sticker is still in the car, so we'll zip you around. Take a look at that window sticker. 1993, that car could be bought for $25,692. Considerably a lot of money in 93. That is definitely a really neat car. All right, folks, so that was the garage tour. We'll keep walking. We'll take you right over here to all the parade lap stuff, and we'll go check that out. All right, people, checking back in. We got a special treat right here. The Cobra R's are lined up. They're gonna take a parade lap together. Man, that's freaking cool. If that don't give you chills, I don't know what does. There we go. Even the tribute cars out here are for sure 2000 Cobra R's right here in the parking lot of Texas Motor Speedway. And this is it. I mean, what more could you want right here? Clean Cobra right there. All right, we're gonna sign off from the GoPro right here. And let's watch these Cobra R's on track. All right, folks, everybody's clearing out. We're nearing 5 o'clock here at Texas Motor Speedway. The cruise-in's coming to an end. But man, let me tell you what an awesome day. Great people, great cars, great venue. First, I want to thank Texas Motor Speedway for allowing us to have our event here. Of course, their staff, their hospitality, their venue, I mean, it's world class. So thanks again to those guys. Also want to thank our LMR employees that worked this event. I mean, they were up bright and early, you know, 4 or 5 a.m., you know, to make sure this thing happened without a hiccup, and man, did it. So we even got cars going around the oval, so man, this is freaking sweet. So again, thanks to the LMR employees. And also, while I'm on the subject of thanks to our customers, spectators, and everybody that trickled in to the LMR 2021 Cruise-In to make this, I mean, the best one yet. So thanks to all of you for living this lifestyle, sharing this lifestyle and passion with us. I mean, this is, like I said, way too cool. So still got a few folks on the parade lap, still got a few cars on the dyno. Like I said, people are starting to trickle out, and rightfully so. Big day, Blue Angels were flying around. They may still be in the area, which was cool. You really don't know how loud something is like this until you're actually here. So it's pretty loud. So anyways, guys, you know me, I could talk forever. We're gonna sign off. Again, huge thank you to everybody. What a great venue, Texas Motor Speedway. This is a beautiful place. And more importantly, it was a beautiful Saturday here in the state of Texas to have a car show. So y'all know what to do. For all things 79 to present Mustang, first and second generation Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.